Hello friends, I Shivadan welcome you to my new video. In this video we shall be discussing about especially for the people who are planning to appear for any sort of competition exams or entrance exams of say whatever for government job, for any college admissions or medical admissions. So what all things are very much important in one's hand and what all aspects that one should see in his hand, or if somebody known is going for this competitive exams and entrance exam, so they can suggest them also, so whether to go for it or not, and how much are the rate of success as per palmistry are there. So let's get started. I Shivadan. You can get personalized consultation via our email. You can contact us via email on missiontathastu@gmail.com, as well as missiontathastu.com is there, our website. So in this video we shall be discussing about the 5 factors which are most important. These are basically the icons, so I'll explain it each one by one, that what all these icons signifies. So these are the basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 factors that are very much essential for anyone who is appearing for such competitive exams or entrance exams anywhere. Okay, so as we get started, so this is the number 1 part. It is luck. So how luck is important? See, as far as my own personal experience is concerned, if luck is there, you do nothing and everything positive happens around you. And if luck is not there, you do whatever you wish, you do no matter how much hard work you do, no much how big strategies you are planning, nothing will work out. So this is my own personalized experience. So as I'm associated with this palmistry line for so many years, so I have seen people with so much of mind, so much of thoughts, so much of innovation, so much of planning, organizing, whatever management tool you say, they are having that, but still if luck is not there, then nothing is working out. So luck is the most important factor. So how we check luck in our hand? So basically this is our hand, these are our lines. So this is the fate or the luck line. The longer the luck line is, the independent the luck line is always better. Independent means it is not joining or it is not overlapping the lifeline. It is independent and it is the longer. So it will definitely help you in whatever you are new venture you are doing, or you want to appear for certain type of exams and entrance exams, you want to do certain type of big degrees, or you want to have a government job. So whatever it is, so this luck line, independent and long luck line, is always supportive. And the third thing is that the thinnest luck line, it shouldn't be thick, as I have made with a thick sketch pen, so it is appearing to be a thick line, but the thinner is the best. The line with having a less width is always the good, and independent and long. So it is the best scenario as far as palmistry is concerned. No matter if it is joining or overlapping the lifeline also, you will have certain type of initial struggles, or maybe you will have to appear for certain exams multiple times, but you will get the success if you are having such type of luck line. Okay, this was the first factor that we discussed. Okay, this is the first factor, that is luck, that we discussed. Now we come to the second, the second icon, which is social, friend circle. So number 1 point is regarding this social or friend circle is that if you are appearing for certain type of competitive or entrance exam, you have to cut off from your social circle. You have to devote yourself into it for preparations, for studying. So it is very, very important that you know how to control your social circle or friends around you. People who are having this indication, See, on this part of the finger, or it could be on the upper part of the finger also, on any finger. If you are having these type of vertical lines, so you are a social person, you are a friendly person, you cannot control yourself while going out with friends, or having parties with friends, or you are a friendly person, people like you, you also like their company. So it is like that, it is a kind of obstacle in your preparations while going for any sort of competitive exams or entrance exam. So you, although you have that inner thing to go for that for exam, but you wouldn't be able to control this trait of yours. And above that, if your palm color is pink, so it is it is a very strong indication that you are a friendly person, you have so many friends in life and you enjoy their company, they also enjoy your company. So it becomes a really major obstacle while you are preparing for any sort of exams. So this is the second indication that we have discussed so far. Number one was the luck, second one is the social or the non-social quality that you should possess while appearing for any sort of exam or entrance exam or competitive exam. Now we come to the third thing. This is luck, this is social, this is the third thing, that is memory. Now how memory is important? See, memory is very much important, and type of memory or type of your trait or quality, like which subject you like or which subject you do not like. So it all has a special indications on hand. Now in this hand we are having this brain line. Okay, so if it is bending downwards, it is not a good indication. If it is longer, it is not a good indication. An ideal brain line for such sort of competition exams and entrance exam should be straight and a medium length till the sun finger. It should be there, and that is the most appropriate line, brain line, for these sort of entrance exam and competition exams, because it gives you strength in mathematics as well as science. So any sort of calculation, if it is there, so it will definitely help you. A straight brain line, not a shorter one or not a longer one, a straight brain line till the finger of sun. So it is very, very, very much important. Okay, so far we have discussed three things. That is, number one, luck. Number two, friends or social circle. Number three is memory. So now we come to the third thing, which is this icon, which is confidence. So how confidence is important? See, confidence is very much important in clearing all these type of entrance exam, and after exams you must be having certain type of interviews also or group discussions also. So you need to have this self-confidence level. So how this self-confidence is calculated in hand? See, you are looking at the index finger and the sun finger. A sun finger is longer than the index finger, then confidence level of the person is low. And if this Jupiter finger or the index finger is longer than the sun finger, then it is the ideal situation of your confidence level, that you have that confidence in you and you will achieve what you have in your mind, and you will clear all those obstacles coming in your way while going for any sort of entrance exam or competitive exam. So this is the indication of basically the confidence level, that Jupiter finger should be longer than the sun finger. This finger, like in my hand, it is the opposite way. My Jupiter finger is smaller than the index finger, which is a normal thing. I do not have any sort of extra self-confidence or something like that. Maybe I'm underconfident person. So it is like that only. So it is a clear indication, if you are having this finger longer than this sun finger, so you are a confident guy, you know how to achieve the things, and you will definitely achieve the things. The last but not the least is the hard working. That if you are a hard working person or not. See, hard work has a very broad aspect, but here we are, only focusing on the, if you are having a hard work sort of person, then if hard working sort of person, so you will devote much time in studies, you will devote much time in preparing for the exams and all those things. So what is that indication? How we check in palmistry that this person is hardworking? See, if you are having a longer hand, now if we check the palm, just focus on this area. So this area should be a rectangle sort of thing, not a square sort of thing, and it should be as long as possible with long fingers. So you are a hard working sort of person. You are willing to do hard work for that, and you will definitely achieve things in your life with hard work, and you are very much capable and you like working hard on certain things and achieving your goals in life. So it is a good indication. So although other palm shapes have other different qualities, but this hard working sort of thing, that you are a studious person, you can devote so many hours in studying, you have to achieve certain type of goals in study and clear those exams. So it is very much important that you should have a longer palm. So longer palm is always beneficial for hard working quality, and I have discussed other 4 qualities as in the video. So please do look for our new videos very soon, and subscribe the channel, and you can comment as well. Thank you.